In today's video, I'm going to teach you send email from Excel, how to send Excel file to Gmail, how to send Excel file in Gmail. We'll walk through two simple methods. First, how to email your spreadsheet directly from your browser, and second, how to attach a saved Excel file from Gmail. Follow along and choose the approach that fits your workflow. Start with your spreadsheet open in your browser. With the file on your screen, go to the top menu and choose File, then Share, then Email. This route is great when you want to send the current version without downloading anything. In the email panel that appears, pick Email this file. In the To field, type the recipient's address. Add a clear, descriptive subject line so the recipient instantly knows what they're getting, and include a short message if helpful. Before sending, check the file type. Set it to Microsoft Excel so it goes out as a .xlsx attachment that opens cleanly in Excel on the other end. If the recipient only needs to view it, you can also keep this setting in mind for future emails. But today, we'll stick with Excel. When everything looks good, recipients, subject, and file type, click Send. That's it for the direct from browser method. Now let's look at the second option, sending from Gmail after saving a copy. First, save your Excel file to your computer. Choose a folder you can easily find later and give the file a clear name, ideally including a date or version, so it's unmistakable which copy you're sending. Make sure it's saved as XLSX for the best compatibility. Next, open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. At the bottom of that new message window, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Excel file, select it, and click Open. Give Gmail a second to upload the attachment. Then fill in the recipient's email address and add a concise, informative subject line. If needed, type a short note in the body to explain any context, deadlines, or what you'd like the recipient to review. When you're confident the right file is attached and the details are correct, click Send. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Double-check that you've attached the intended version of the spreadsheet, and keep in mind that large files can take a moment to upload. If your file is very big, Gmail may automatically suggest sending via Drive. Finally, proofread your subject and message. Clear communication helps your recipient act fast. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.